Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel, or maybe welcome for the very first time. Either way, I'm thrilled you're here today because we're diving into something that can be a game changer for anyone looking to sell their creative work online on Gumroad. Now, you might have heard the name Gumroad floating around, especially if you're just starting your journey as a creator. But what exactly is it? And more importantly, why is it such a fantastic platform, especially if you're a beginner? That's exactly what we're going to unpack in today's video. We'll go beyond the surface and show you why Gumroad could be the perfect launching pad for your online business. Sell anything, directly to your audience. No complicated setup. At its core, Gumroad is an e-commerce platform designed specifically for creators. Think of it as a simplified, all-in-one storefront where you can sell a wide variety of digital products and even some physical ones directly to your audience. We're talking about things like eBooks, online courses, music tracks, software, design assets, artwork, templates, memberships, and even physical goods like prints or merchandise. What sets Gumroad apart, particularly for beginners, is its incredible ease of use. Forget about complicated website builders, confusing payment gateway integrations, or wrestling with endless settings. Gumroad is designed to be intuitive and get you up and running quickly, so you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome stuff. Why Gumroad rocks for beginners? Reason number 1, simplicity and ease of use. The platform has a clean, uncluttered interface. Creating a product page is incredibly straightforward. You upload your file, set your price, write a compelling description, which Gumroad guides you through, and boom, you have a product ready to sell. There's no need for any coding knowledge or advanced technical skills. Reason number 2, built-in payment processing. This is a huge one for beginners. You don't need to set up a separate account with a payment processor like PayPal or Stripe initially, although you can connect them later if you want more options. Gumroad handles all the transactions for you, securely processing payments and depositing the funds into your connected bank account. This removes a significant hurdle that many beginners find intimidating. Reason number 3, direct sales and audience ownership. Unlike some marketplaces, Gumroad allows you to build a direct relationship with your customers. You collect their email addresses when they make a purchase, if you choose to, which means you can communicate with them directly about future products, updates, or other valuable content. This is crucial for building a loyal fan base. Reason number 4, flexible pricing and product options. Gumroad gives you a lot of control over how you sell your products. You can set a fixed price, offer pay-what-you-want pricing, create subscriptions or memberships with recurring payments, and even offer different versions or tiers of your product. This flexibility allows you to experiment and find what works best for your audience and your content. Reason number 5, powerful analytics. Even as a beginner, understanding your sales data is essential. Gumroad provides you with clear and insightful analytics, showing you how your products are performing, where your sales are coming from, and who your customers are. This information can help you make informed decisions about your future products and marketing efforts. Reason number 6, low barrier to entry and affordable fees. Getting started with Gumroad is completely free. They only charge a small percentage of your sales as a fee. This means you don't have to invest any upfront costs to start selling. Their fee structure is also generally quite reasonable, especially considering all the features they provide. Reason number 7, great for various types of creators. Whether you're a writer, musician, designer, developer, artist, educator, or anything in between, Gumroad can likely accommodate your needs. Its versatility makes it a fantastic platform for a wide range of creative endeavors. Now, while Gumroad is fantastic for beginners, it's also a platform that many established creators continue to use and grow with. Its simplicity doesn't mean it lacks power. As you grow, you can explore more advanced features like custom domains, advanced analytics, and integrations with other tools. So if you've been wanting to start selling your creative work online, but have felt overwhelmed by the technicalities, Gumroad might just be the perfect solution for you. It allows you to focus on creating and connecting with your audience without getting bogged down in the complexities of traditional e-commerce. Here are a few quick tips for getting started with Gumroad as a beginner. Tip number 1, start small. Don't feel like you need to launch a massive online course right away. Start with a smaller, easily digestible product like an ebook, a single music track, or a set of design templates. Tip number 2, create a compelling product page. Even though the setup is simple, take the time to write a clear and engaging description, use high-quality images or videos, and clearly state the benefits of your product. Tip number 3, share your product. Just because you've created it doesn't mean people will automatically find it. Share your Gumroad link on your social media, website, email list, and anywhere else your audience hangs out. Tip number 4, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different pricing strategies, product formats, and marketing approaches to see what resonates with your audience. Gumroad makes it easy to make changes and iterate. Tip number 5, explore the Gumroad Discover feature. Gumroad has a built-in discovery section where potential customers can find new creators and products. Make sure your product page is well optimized to increase your visibility. Gumroad provides a fantastic entry point into the world of online selling for creators of all kinds. Its simplicity, built-in features, and focus on direct-to-audience sales make it a powerful tool, especially when you're just starting out. So, if you've been on the fence about selling your creations online, I highly encourage you to check out Gumroad. It might just be the platform that helps you turn your passion into a profitable venture. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions about Gumroad, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences or your plans to start selling on the platform. What are your thoughts on Gumroad? Don't forget to like this video if you found it valuable and subscribe to the channel for more tips and resources for creators. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.